Boozhoo, Nimin Wayne Mamapi Ajaig. This week is week 8 of Second Step, our social emotional curriculum. In week 8, your child is learning how to tell if someone feels surprised or scared. Now your child is learning 2 different ways to tell how other people feel. First, you look at their faces and bodies for clues. And then second, you focus attention on what is happening. So for them to understand how others feel will help your child get along with others and be friends. So that's one of the goals here at school, that they make lots of friends and be a friend. So one of the games you can play at home is you open up a book and or magazine or newspaper, whatever you have, and then you look at different people's faces and you say, we're going to play How Do You Feel game. We'll look at the pictures of this book without reading any words, and then we'll try to tell how these people feel from this picture. And so before starting, review the 2 different types to tell how someone's feeling. So back review, you look at their faces and their bodies for clues, and then you focus your attention on what is happening in the picture, okay? So this is the picture. Here is Ethan on this side and Tina on this side. So Ethan, he's surprised because he got a pop-up, when he opened up his book, it was a pop-up picture. And then Tina was scared because there was a big loud noise in the room. So then you can talk to your child, was there ever a time that you were surprised, or was there ever a time that you were scared, and how did you feel? Talking about those feelings is so good for children. So that is week 8, and it's just a lot about feelings right now, so they can read the cues. If someone's missing their mom or dad at school, your child will be able to say, it's okay, you're going to see her after school. Or remember, they're going to come pick you up after nap time or after snack time. So it's really good for children to go through learning how people feel. So there you go. That's week 8 of Second Step. Make which bis and dowie egg.